Hello, I'm Luc Bouchard, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration Draw and Reduction. I forgive myself for believing that I am not worthy of God's love. How easy is it to doubt our connection to God when we fail to recognize our magnificence and believe that we are insignificant, which is a travesty for at least two reasons. Firstly, thinking that we are unworthy is playing small because we think we are unloved and unlovable, which flies in the face of who we are. But secondly, and more importantly, it is not taking responsibility for our happiness or peace of mind. This in turn models to everyone else around us that we are meant to suffer because we think our value is so little. And here's the quote I took from the Course in Miracles. You have so little faith in yourself because you are unwilling to accept the fact that you are perfect, that perfect love is in you. And so you seek without from what you cannot find without. I offer you my perfect faith in you in place of all your doubts. Okay. So we have one task and one task only on this planet. We have one goal, we have one mission, we have one thing that we are meant to do, and that is to be connected to God and to be at peace and to forgive. But that happens from, when we forgive, then we're connected to God. But as I wrote in the reduction, that basically when we are playing small and insignificant, what we're telling the world, what we're telling everyone else is that it's okay to play small. It's okay to be insignificant. It's okay to not shine and not to live in your fullness and your unlimitedness of who we are. And this is a message, this reduction is actually a message to parents who are playing small. What are you showing your kids? What are you modeling to them? If they see that you're playing small, they are going to think that that's what it should be. And we are, we're often so worried about what people are going to think about us or what they're going to say, and it is that playing small and acting insignificant that is really, as I wrote, a travesty and not okay. We have to show up fully. We have to be prepared to be in our greatest form. And we have this false sense of humility that, no, not me. Well, that's playing small, and that's not what God wishes us to be. God wishes us to be in our grandeur and in our power, and to show that and to model that through peace, that others can see where we're at and say, hey, I want that. Whatever that person has, I want that, because they look pretty happy. Now, this image, I had a little play on words there where I said flies in the face. Yes, that was intentional. And I'm getting tired of saying I'm happy with these shots. Well, I'm really not tired of saying it, but I am really happy with this shot. And this is the fly in the ointment. That is our belief system that we're not okay, that we have to play small, and that we're not okay, which is simply not true. So I encourage you to stand in your glory. I encourage you to not give in to the belief that you are not worthy. Like, who are you to say that? Who are you to believe that? And who are you to I need you to be in your fullness. I need you to show up fully. Give me permission to show up fully. So, we are great. We are children of God, and we are loved. And there's really not much more else to say that. Besides the fact that if you want your own set of forgiveness declaration cards, here's the website URL. And if you're Canadian, you can send me an email at this email address, luke@forgivenessdeclarations.ca. And that and 59 Canadian dollars plus shipping and handling will get you your own set of these cards. Thanks so much. Have a great day. And you are worthy of God's love. I know it, and deep down within yourself, you know it. You've just forgotten it. Amen, and take care.